This is the ICE 3051 report on Wilson Chow. He graduated from the University of Hong Kong with a BEng brackets 2.2 in civil engineering in 2015. Your stated expertise is geology, geotechnics and ground engineering and tunnelling, and your employment type, your stated employment is contracting and construction. Your CV and project report covered your experience as a graduate engineer with Atkins China Limited, open brackets ACL, close brackets, from 2015 to 2017 on the Liantang Hual UN Boundary Control Point site formation works, where you designed excavation and lateral support works, and from October the 7th and from 2017 to 2018 on secondment to contractors Leighton Joint Venture. Stop. Paragraph. The second of these was the subject of your presentation at your professional review. You satisfied your reviewers on 1. Knowledge and understanding of engineering. 3. Management and leadership. 4. Independent judgment and responsibility. 7. Sustainable development. 8. Interpersonal skills and communication. And 9. Professional commitment. However, with regard to 2. Theory and practical application of engineering, as regards knowledge of self-cleansing velocity of sewage in pipes, jointing of water main pipes to resist tension at bends, and criteria for the selection of options for water mains clashing with foundations, and 5. Commercial ability regarding estimating costs of preparing designs, defining negligence as the failure to exercise reasonable skill, care and diligence in design work and fitness for purpose, and the contractor's responsibility for ensuring fitness for purpose in design and build works. 6. Health, safety and welfare in equating appearance with safety when deciding between options. Your written exercise. You fail to satisfy your reviewers in these attributes, and they were therefore unable to recommend at this time that you be accepted as a chartered engineer with the Institution of Civil Engineers. 1. Knowledge and understanding of engineering. You explained well the different requirements for internal corrosion protection of pressure pipes carrying salt water or fresh water, on the feasibility study for the relocation of the Yao Tong Group freshwater and saltwater surface reservoir to caverns, and the purpose of thrust blocks at bends in water mains on the CWB project, and explained clearly the difference between quality assurance and quality control in relation to checking procedures and checking for compliance. Accordingly, your reviewers were satisfied that you adequately met the requirements of the attribute knowledge and understanding of engineering. Add in your work that you had done with ACL as part of the contractor's design team on geotechnical work, including earth lateral supports and retaining walls that you referenced in your interviews. 2. Technical and practical application of engineering. When asked about the design of sewer pipes, you explained how pipes should be sized for maximum possible discharge at velocities that would not damage the pipe linings. But though you knew the gradient should be set to provide a minimum design velocity of 1 meter per second, you did not know why this should be so, namely, to provide a self-cleansing velocity, When comparing different criteria for dealing with a preferred solution to the problem of a water main clashing with a foundation, you are unable to quantify the symbols you use for comparison, yet seemingly justified your decision on the basis of the sum of the symbols for each option. Having then determined that diverting the water main would not require thrust blocks at the bends, you are unable to explain sensibly how the sections of water main pipe should be jointed to resist the tensions induced in the pipes by the bend, or that would be induced in the pipes by the bend. Accordingly, your reviewers were not satisfied that you adequately met the requirements of the attribute technical and practical application of engineering. Three, management and leadership. On the CRB, you managed the work of an assistant engineer and were directly responsible. In addition, brief members of the inspection, survey and quantity surveying teams. You explained to your reviewers how, with new or complex tasks, you sought the views of team members and ensured the agreement before these tasks were carried out.